So let me talk a little bit about qualitative research as I see it, and really how I think that I would like to teach students and work with students on qualitative projects. Sage and other publishing houses have lots of qualitative books out there, and I've just not quite been satisfied with them. They tend to either talk about what is qualitative research, kind of describing it, or if they might go the next step and actually give some illustrations from published studies on what it is. And I've always felt that qualitative research needs to go to yet another step, and that is the actual doing of qualitative research. And so what I try to do is share in my classes, my qualitative classes, and in my writings, how I actually do it. For example, coding data. You have a transcript, and your objective is to take that transcript and divide it into text segments and then assign codes to that. Now, I can tell a person what is coding, or I can actually talk about how some authors have done their coding, perhaps, or used coding, but I want to take them through the steps that I actually would use. Where do you begin to code? So I start by reading through the transcript to get a general sense of it. I move from there to thinking about what people are saying. There's a simple question. What are they saying at this particular point? I think in terms of large chunks of data. People tend to overcode text data. I then assign a code word, usually using a word that they actually said. So I want to report this word. It's called an in vivo type of code. So I'm going through these steps. And that's really what I want to convey. It's not that my steps are the only steps to go through. But at least for somebody beginning qualitative research, these students that are in my intro classes, at least they have some sense of the actual practice of research, more than just the definition of it or how others have done it, examples. I want to show them the steps that have worked for me over the years. That's coding, and that's taking qualitative research to a more practical level.